Friends, good morning, everyone. Today is Tuesday, April 2nd. Let's see what's happening in the markets. So, if you pay attention, here we have daily time frame, 30-minute and 5-minute. These are our indices. You see, they are labeled black, S&P 500, blue, Nasdaq, yellow, Russell 2000, red, Dow Jones. Currently, we're not in an upward trend. Moreover, Russell 2000 is growing more actively than others. Nasdaq has slowed down a bit. This indicates that perhaps just technology companies are slowing down, but the indices themselves continue to rise. Well, let's move on to this type of analysis. Let's look at additional factors that will tell us what to do. So, if you pay attention to a series of charts, at the top, we have the S&P 500 index daily time frame, and below are additional indicators. We don't pay attention to moving averages themselves, we look at the charts and draw parallels between the top chart and the bottom one. So, the S&P bullish percent index continues its upward movement. The McClellan summation index is also increasing. The S&P corporate continues to grow, but there was a slight decrease yesterday. And, if you pay attention to the last candlesticks, corporate S&P decreased much more than the weighted average of the S&P 500. This indicates that the upward movement continues. Now let's see what's happening on the S&P 500 index itself. In this case, we have a 30-minute time frame, and here I've drawn option balances right away, the so-called priority change levels. And for now, the price is above it. Yesterday, it was 5,230. Today, it's 5,235. Well, and in principle, for now, the price is above it. Accordingly, the opportunity arises to consider even intraday purchases and medium-term purchases. We will consider them just the same because the level, blue, hasn't changed. It remains the same. If anyone wants to examine this chart in more detail on my website in the forecast section, you can find such a table. Here are the main tools. I usually upload new screenshots on Mondays, but the S&P 500 is loaded here every day. You may notice that today's date is shown, and here is the S&P 500 index itself with all priority change levels. And once again a reminder, if the current price is above the priority line, it's for buying. If it's below the priority line, it's for selling. And here you can see intraday levels, they are in red, and swing levels, they are in blue. So, here you see, there are additional ones, but this is already a deeper analysis, it's already within the framework of my mentorship. If you're interested, you can visit my website in the mentorship section, see what I offer. But also get several video lessons for free by following this link. Here I talk about what generally goes on in my mentorship, what was done in group training. But the analysis of options itself, how to analyze it, there are really no secrets here. I show everything in this video. You can follow along with me. This is Artem Yaskiv. Earn and buy for now.